Lucas.
Bukas
Sa
pa
kamba.
sabi ni Wilson.
Joke lang.
Guys,
Actually, true, right?
Maybe.
let's see. Nag-ilo-ilo na ba tayo ever? Parang hindi pa.
Hindi pa
Bacolod
malayo.
pa.
Bacolod
kinda
yung
hard.
pinamalayo.
Maybe. Oh, here's good.
Mabe ka dyan!
Doon ka.
Ay.
Mabe ka dyan!
Grabe showtime performances.
We get issues. Sabi daw Wilson.
What? You said
We get issues.
welche Sprachen spricht ihr?
Anong sinabi ko?
Anong sabihin?
What language do you all speak?
We speak Tagalog.
Tagalog, 1.
English.
2.
German.
German, 3. Korean.
Korean a bit.
Look how I count with my finger. And then, one more.
Bicolano.
Bicolano. Okay, 6. High
Arab.
5. Si L. Arab.
Really?
Martian.
Oh, really?
I didn't
And Jom,
know.
what do you speak?
Secret.
Dog. Dog is dog language. Sample dog language.
Arf.
Eh, ang cute naman ng dog na to! Nasana!
Arf. Can you guys dance cover Gusto Ko Sa Aking Kalang Trend? Yes, of
Gawa na ni
course!
Jom.
Of course!
Di ba yun yun?
Jom did it though.
Oo nga.
We can do one more.
Ano siya?
Yeah, one more. Meron pa.
Isa pa, isa pa guys.
Tawag dito?
Isa pa guys.
Shadowban.
Shadowban siya guys. Kaya di siya na-upload sa TikTok.
Naka-copyright po kami.
Ano to?
This one? Try read again. Wie geht's euch? Wie geht's euch?
Ay, V2?
Yeah, wie.
Wilson.
Anong ibig sabihin?
How are you? How are you all? How are you all? So how do you guys feel?
Good.
Everyone doing good?
Yeah.
Ich bin gut.
Uns geht's gut. Uns geht's super.
Gute Leute.
Gute Leute. Just because of the car. Yeah, that's German. That's German.
Is it good people?
Ah, that's
Yeah.
the coffee shop in Korea.
Yeah, the coffee
Coffee
shop
shop,
in
yeah.
Korea. There's like a coffee shop in
Leute.
Korea. Gute Leute.
Nakakape ba kayo dun?
One time, no? Nilibre ako ng
But it's so expensive there, isn't it?
But it's hard because the menu is in Korean.
all Korean.
Ah.
Kaya bang sitang.
Dahil nakita ko kayo sa Summer Blast, napastayan ako.
Hey.
Whoa!
Salamat po!
Thank you po.
Salamat.
We love you! Salamat! Oh, it's not moving.
May naghahanap kay Kuya Chan. Si Judge, sabi, Kuya Chan, where are you po? Kuya Chan! Mental si Kuya Chan.
Nani Yaski.
Wilson, kannst du deine Ringe zeigen? Here are my rings.
Talas ka anong ginagawa mo.
Brief po ng
Nagawa
members.
ng grip.
Gumagawa po ako ng brief ng members.
Hotdog.
Anong pangalan ng brief?
Brief? Underwear?
Pen shop!
Pen shop.
Pen shop.
Pen
Wala
shop.
na yung joke mo. Kasi pen shop na eh. Kung iibahin mo pa yun, hindi wala na. Ibinta na yung pen shop. Muna tuloy.
K-pop po ba kayo? We're G-pop. German pop.
Eh.
Stabil.
German pop. Stabil.
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 Bilis naman. Ilan ba tao?
We are at 363.
Oh, really?
Oh my goodness.
Wow! That's like a new world.
Thank you, Hansel, for the ice
Thank
cream.
you po.
Thank you,
Ice cream
Doc.
Good. Ice cream, yummy. Hi, pa-notice po. Hi, let's see.
Hirap kasi ng mga pangalan niya eh.
Bilis nyo mag-drive, guys.
Sino po leader nyo? Si Tat. Leader ni Tat.
It's me.
Join my team.
What team? Cute nung hero na sa likod.
See you on Sunday. Yes, see you on Sunday. Everybody come on
Yeah.
Sunday.
Panood po kayo.
SM Pampanga, please.
See you.
Everybody
Malapit
come.
lang.
Please. We want to get
ba?
to meet you.
Malapit lang mo.
Let's meet
Wait.
on Sunday, everyone.
Nakakailan pa bang gano'n tayo?
Hello from Denmark. Hello.
Hello.
Denmark.
Pakatlo na ata to.
Say hi to me. Ano pa?
Hi, Lachi.
Hi, me.
Let's...
Hi, me. Hi, Lechi.
Hi, me. Musta, me?
Jo Marie.
Kailan daw tayo ulit mag-guest sa TikTok vlog?
Pag
Pag
may
po may
bagong
comeback
kanta.
na kami.
Hello po, Lance.
When we have a
Seth.
comeback.
Pag may comeback na po,
Yes.
which is kailan? Secret!
Nag-meeting na
Di
po
pa namin
kanina
alam.
kami. Kung kailan yung kanta.
Hi from America po.
From America, from the US.
We're in America. Galing niyo po nung Summer Blast. Woo! Thank you po.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Nakamansin ba sila? Hindi.
Of course. I'm gonna notice you. We're so light. But now you can see my face.
Mixed race ka ba daw, Tad?
Yeah.
Anong klaseng race?
He's half Filipino, half mine.
Hey!
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Kiss niya, kiss.
Kiss, kiss.
Ano sino nag-chat?
By the way, your songs are fire.
Hey! We only have 4 songs.
We love you, we love you.
Fire pa.
Thank you, thank you. You are.
We want new songs.
But soon, magiging ilan?
5.
Sure.
5 songs.
Where's my German man?
So who said that?
I don't know. It's so fast.
Who's the mangne?
Mangne, ori mangne.
You need to come to Germany. Okay, we're gonna come. We're gonna come to Germany.
Pinoy po kayo. Yes.
Dirty mind. Unmute, Jom.
John,
Yo,
wake
what's up?
Wake up. Good morning.
Hello, guys. Ang ba? Ang bilis kasi.
Sige po, Maxine.
Ang bilis. Sinisi yung nagko-comment eh, no?
Ang bilis yung mag-type, guys. Malito.
Can you speak German?
Of course. Oh, heart!
Show you German. Okay, everyone wanna speak. Everyone wanna hear
Ich
German.
hab gehabt und das Kibisch heute aus
Wir
mit
brauchen
dir im Club.
Escorts in.
Lala. Komm so, wir machen Party heute Nacht. Oh baby, shake dein butt.
Paano daw pronounce yung last name mo, Jom? Ace Ron.
Ace Ron.
Ace Ron.
Ace Ron, really?
Yeah.
Ace Ron talaga?
Slay.
Really? Oh, I thought different.
Ano daw? Bilis.
John, do you want candy? Someone said. I think you need candy.
Candy? What kind of candy?
It's candy.
May NCT.
So sour candy. May taga Bicol ba sa inyo?
Kami pong dalawa.
Jom and Maki.
Kaming dua.
Guys, comment nga kayo kung nanood kayo nung Summer Blast. Dali, may tatanong kami.
Anong name po ng group?
Nakita nyo ba si Tad na?
We're New Eid, everybody. New Eid. For the 100th.
Andito po New Ido.
New ID.
New Eid.
New ID.
So many people. Is it confusing?
New 8.
See you sa May 4. See you sa May 4. Meron po kami event sa
Wow.
SM City, Pampanga.
Everybody.
See you there.
This Sunday, SM
With
Pampanga.
other P-pop groups, yes.
And yung May 3 po namin naganap, na-cancel po siya.
Postpone.
But yeah,
Yeah,
na-move po siya.
25, May 25.
Yes. Keep your tickets.
Keep your tickets, yeah.
Keep your ticket.
Kaso Sunday yun. May pasok na bukas.
Fighting.
Fighting.
Prize.
Wait, pang ilang ano na natin nun? Pang 10th na ba yun? Oo.
Hala, oo nga. 10th.
Oh, and
Let's
JC.
go! Eh.
Mr. Lee, if you're watching, hello po.
Hello, Mr. Lee.
안녕하세요.
Jonan.
Rufum kay LA. Na sana.
Pangaps
Comeback
nila.
Dito kasi.
Wow! Thank you sa gift. Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream good.
Ice cream good.
Ihr ignoriert mich weiterhin. Nein, wir ignorieren dich nicht.
Anong sabihin daw?
You are ignoring me. We're not ignoring.
No, the comments are fast.
Es ist einfach viel zu schnell. Was ist deine Frage? Stell deine Frage.
Type lang kayo ng type. Attendance check, Summer Blast. Nagtaas ng kamay.
Join my team.
Joy.
Yeah. No,
Anyong sa'yo?
yeah, no.
Ara ba yan?
No. German.
German. Is it really hard to say?
Tad, Yuri or Kiefer?
Ala, mababasa ko! Hindi ko sasabihin. Hindi ko sasabihin. Basta support ang mutya ng Section E. Stan.
Ich hab gehört Deutschland Tour.
Oh, es
We're
wird
coming to Deutschland!
Ich habe
Was ist
gehört.
denn
Ich habe gehört. What?
My pronunciation.
No, give a like. I didn't understand the last part. Ich habe gehört.
Parang hindi ko kaya.
Komsumir.
Ah,
Konter. Content ihr mal in Herzmachen.
Gumawa ka daw ng content in German.
Ah.
Medyo ko lang gamit.
bitte verzeiht mir.
Ano daw?
German content. Ano ba?
Sabi ni Raven, galing nyo po nung Summer Blast, I became a fan.
Wow!
We
Raven.
love you, Raven.
Tawag ng panghalan.
No.
Akin ka na lang.
Gusto ko sa akin ka lang.
Ay, iba yun.
Ich mein Infant es will
Bro, I don't understand a single word. What is
I'm trying my best.
Butchered.
What does it say?
Ito.
Ich meine einfach, es wird Zeit
Oy, gawin daw natin yung Kim San Hot
für eine
Challenge.
Deutschland-Tour. Oh, it's time for a German tour. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna come.
Philippines tour muna, guys.
I'm gonna guide it.
Songs muna.
JJ or Ella?
We just need songs right now.
JJ.
Kailan
More-
kayo mag-fan
more
dito sa
songs.
Bulacan?
Naku! Sa bahay po
Oo,
namin.
pwede yan!
Tara.
Sa may
Hindi yung
covered court.
mangyari! sa bulong sa bahay nga niyo.
Sa bahay namin, guys. Fan meet.
Sa sala.
Come to Barcelona.
Oh.
Sure.
Thank you for the cowboy.
Wala na agad. Gawin natin yung Kim San Ho Challenge, da.
Ah, okay.
Let's do it.
May music ba?
Yeah, meron.
What's the music again?
Ano yan?
Ah.
Supernatural! Hey!
Sana all natural.
Okay. It's kind of silent. What did I do?
Not my face.
Okay, wait.
Get ready? Video nyo na, guys.
Okay. Ready, guys? Everyone?
Ready?
Okay.
Sabay-sabay ba dapat?
Sabay-sabay.
Okay, don't screen record, please. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay na ba? Hey! Oh!
We're not gonna get copyrighted.
Yan. Isa pa din nakita. Guys, wala na.
Nandito si Tala, may kain na. Hello po!
Hello po.
Andyan, eh!
Hello po!
Hello po! Suot po namin!
Hello po.
Suot po namin.
I forgot ma.
Hala. Meron.
Suot ko po.
Wala akong suot.
New Eid.
Yay.
Thank you po.
Andiyan si...
Pero pumunta po ako sa North Edsa nyo po na. Nakita ko
Meron na
po yung
tayo.
picture namin.
Thank you po sa mga picture po
Andun na.
namin. Thank you po.
Hindi ako kilala nung... Hindi ako kilala nung nasa cashier.
Sabi, ako yun ah.
Ka-picture po ako, tapos hindi ako kilala nung...
What's the fandom name? The fandom name is New Days!
Hello, Tala by Kyla. Ito po, alam mo, tipo makita
no.
yun.
Everybody, join the...
Wow!
Yay!
Yay!
Nakamas ka kasi.
Paano ka makikilala?
Nagtanggal naman akong mask.
Dunka Dance Challenge. Okay.
Di pa rin. Sana, next time.
Tumabi ka dyan!
Nagtanggal lang mas pa mapansin.
Wilson, grüß mich.
Pinakita yung mga.
Grüß mich bitte. Ich grüße dich, Bro, der Name, Bro. Ich kann es nicht aussprechen.
Sige, puntahan daw nila. Puntahan niyo po. Marami yan.
Hunde oder Katzenmensch?
Hanapin niyo sa iba't ibang SM.
Katzenmensch. Do you guys like cat or dog?
The cats.
Cats.
Ako, parehas.
Oh, I like both. Oh, okay. Everyone cat.
I hate dogs. I hate
Everyone
cats
for-
din na nagmameow.
Bakit may nano si Tenda? Bigyan siya. Okay, bigyan siya.
Nag-debut na ba si Tenten?
I like Wilson. I like you too. Watashi, I like you.
Watashi wa.
Watashi wa star. Kira. Dunka Dance Challenge. Tumabi ka dyan!
Are you okay?
Ho!
Are you okay?
Are you okay, John?
Just answer. Are you okay?
Yeah.
He's okay.
He's doing good.
We're okay. We're okay.
Balalos an. Mach balalos an. Mero? Grüß mich. Wilson, grüß mich bitte, Wilson, heiße Nachspiel. Ich grüße dich, Nachspiel. Hello, Nachspiel.
Hello po. Shout out sa'yo. Nashpia.
Shoutout, Nachspiel.
Nashpia.
Heavy love. Ano yun?
This one, bro.
Tapos na. Tapos na yun. Panoorin nyo na lang.
It's already
Heavy
done.
love. Tapos na yun.
It's already done. But now everyone wants a shout out in German, bro.
Ang dami German.
Because like
German shout out.
Annyeonghaseyo, Yume.
Well, it's gone.
Sino daw po si Josh natin? Ano daw ako?
I'm Josh. Geilste Gruppe, not kilala. Ich küsse dein Herz.
Tapos may utang pala ako sa kanya, no?
Ay.
Oo, no. Kaklase po ba kita?
What's up, boys? What's up, Landon? What's up?
Number 1 fave group.
Wilson,
Now.
küsse dein Herz.
New Year.
Just an introvert.
Küsse deine
Thank you po.
Augen. Grüße mich bitte.
Thank you po.
Josh, tawag ka ni... Baka hindi ko mabasa.
Akala ko nagtatanong.
Hi, Nani Daski.
Brezelbruder.
Brezelbruder. Oh, Brezelbruder. Okay, we are all Brezelbruder, okay, guys?
We're not German.
Brezelbruder.
Anong
We're not
gusto mo?
Germans.
No, today.
Okay,
Ano
today.
yan?
Brezelbruder, we're the brothers.
Please sa Buddha.
Brezelbruder.
Pretzel Brothers.
Brezelbrother.
LSSRN.
Last na po birthday namin ni Wilson.
Nani
Mary.
Daski.
Yeah.
My birthday?
Anong gusto nyong ano?
My LSS is
Um,
Time by SB19.
Hi, Brianna. Hello. Are you guys Korean?
No.
Sana Josh ang
We're not Korean.
American?
America?
No.
Just an introvert is making cupcakes. Tapos tinatanong tayo kung gusto daw natin.
Oh,
Yes,
cupcake.
mag-send lang po kayo sa...
Hoy,
For me, a protein cupcake, please. Protein cupcake.
Chicken cupcake.
thank you sa gifts!
Grüß mich bitte. Hi Eva, grüße dich.
Hi, Casey.
Casey?
Cassie.
Chicken noodle soup. Hey, chicken noodle soup. Hey,
Ano, paano
chicken
basahin
noodle
yung B?
Alin?
Groove.
Grube. Ano ba yun?
Groove.
Grabe.
Pa-shoutout po. Shoutout, Chi.
Idol daw ba tayo?
Hindi po.
Depende.
Di po.
Are you guys in Korea? We're not in Korea right now.
Tambay.
Matambay lang kami dito. Nagla-live.
P-pop, yes, P-pop.
Lieblingsessen, Pizza.
Summer Blast Reflections.
Mahirap magkasakit.
Yay! Hello
Ito.
po, Ate Jen.
Mag-inom po kayo lagi ng vitamins. Para hindi kayo magkasakit.
4 lang po kami nag-rehearse, pero 5 po kaming may hawak na
Eh!
mic.
Hulaan nyo kung sino
Hulaan
ano
nyo
doon,
kung sino
mafia.
yun.
Sino ang mafia doon?
Para lang sa introvert selfie, guys. Agency nyo po P-pop. K-pop po yung agency namin, pero P-pop group po kami other than K-pop agency. Tama ba?
Mga call center agent po.
Hello, ma'am.
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 I'm gonna serve exactly what you are.
Maki red hair, hindi po si Maki.
Wilson Bruder. Luna, mein Bruder. Ah, meine Schwester.
Ruby-chan.
Proud of you, boys. Thank you. Nani daski?
Chokomento! Irimaata!
Songs recommendation po. Deja Vu by New Eat.
ER.
ER by New Eat. And
Ghost.
The day we meet again.
Ghost. Oh, The Day We Meet Again. If you want to listen to something more like,
Or a crush.
more, you know, more sweet.
I'm crashing on you, pusuko.
Eh.
Ay natandaan sa pagmamahal ko. Hey.
When will you have
Sugat
international
sa
tour?
Oh yeah!
Whoa! 2026!
International tour. Let's go.
Ano daw?
International
Kailan daw
tour.
tayo magkaka-international tour?
Hopefully,
Ano
hopefully.
Malter muna tayo.
Hopefully,
Tulog po muna kayo.
Hopefully we'll
Baka
have
sa dream.
If you're watching, hi! If you're watching, hello.
Ano to?
What is BTS?
Yan yun.
Milk the BTS. Do you like BTS?
Yes!
Yes.
Bro,
Yeah!
bro, I'm the biggest BTS fan.
I like
I love BTS. Oh, everyone has bias in BTS?
Oh man.
Mine
Who's
is...
your bias?
You're my hope.
Oh, you like J-Hope?
I'm your hope. I'm J-Hope.
Jungkook.
The Day Chuchu, siya na naman yun.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Hongdae ka.
Hongdae boy.
Uzi. Shout out mo daw siya.
Uzi. Ayoko na guys, mababash ako nito.
Wait, kilala nyo ba Rise?
Kannst du mich bitte grüßen? Ich
Rise.
heiße
Kilala niyo po?
Finja Melody bitte. Ich grüße dich, Finja Melody. Hallo Finja Melody. Knock knock, who's
Comeback
there?
ng Rise, di ba?
Yes!
kanina.
Napanood sila namin.
Kanina. Walang kinambag nila kanina.
Kanina! Totoo!
Ano?
Yeah, they're coming.
Ay, totoo? Kala ko nag-ano lang. Kala ko nag-jojo.
Nagda-drive po kasi si Maki.
Ano yan? Ano? Anong...
Bad back.
Si Zoe talaga yung peg ko ngayon, no?
Ah, totoo pala. Hindi ko alam.
Zoe yan, guys.
Oh,
Zoe.
bag.
Nag-follow kasi ako eh.
Baggage.
Bad.
Are you play Valorant?
Ngayon.
Ay, Nox, nagbabala
Hindi ko
na
na
siya.
kaya.
Nag-grind ako ngayon.
Ooh.
Do you like Stray Kids?
Yes! I like
Hindi natin
Bang Chan.
tulungan.
Feelings.
Perla, go.
That's me.
BTS will be back next month. Nah. Next month already? No.
Hindi yun, may ano, military.
Yeah, military service too. But I wish so. Oh, so fast. Wait lang.
Kaya nga.
Where is their cup?
Voice what? Where?
Ito.
Gusto mo yun, nakikipag-unahan ako sa'yo.
Kannst du Doris grüßen? Ich grüße dich, Doris. Yeah, that one, shout out. Wait, what did you read? Elle, what did you read? Where was it?
Wala, no?
It's too fast, guys. It's too fast to focus on 3 languages at the same time. Tagalog, English, and German. Wala na.
Wilson, where's Miss Duyan?
Wer? Vermisst du Wilson, vermisst du Wien? Bro, look.
That's V.
Wait, yeah, vermisst du Wien?
To Wien,
Weil Wien
Wien.
vermisst dich. So it basically means, do you miss Vienna? Because Vienna misses you.
Yes, I miss Vienna.
Of course,
Yeah, he misses Vienna so bad.
of course I miss Vienna. Ich vermisse Wien, aber am meisten vermisse ich das Essen. Döner, ich vermisse Döner.
Ako din miss ko ng tuna.
Oh, you like Döner?
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't tried it yet.
I tried it! I showed you a picture!
Sa
No, no.
Makati.
Nagmakati kami. The real one.
no, but you need to try the real one in
take me there.
Berlin. Okay, when we're in Germany, I'm gonna bring it to.
Okay. Tuna.
I'm gonna make you eat Döner. In Germany,
Sandwich.
there's the best.
Ah,
There's the
Döner.
best Döner.
Beef sandwich.
Yeah, it's a sandwich. Like
Tuna, best.
Tuna. Ano?
there's like salad and stuff. No, but trust, really good. It's really good.
Biggest fear.
Biggest fear? No comeback. I'm joking.
Okay po.
Okay po.
Patricia.
Sige po, Ate Trisha.
Nagpagkupit si Wilson. Yes, I cut my hair.
By himself.
By myself. No, I'm joking.
Gusto mo ako magupit eh.
Yeah, I already told you. We have to practice with each other so that we don't, like, we can do it always with us. You know? Like, it doesn't...
Magaling ako magupit.
Isang please hi kay as a group.
Huh?
Hi?
Hi kay
Hi, as a group.
As a group.
Hi as a group. Hi as a group. Okay.
Kai.
Let's go. Come.
3, 2.
Hi, Kai.
Kai, hi.
Kai.
Hi, Kai.
Wait, what do we do?
Sige.
I'm confused. Oh, sorry, Maki.
Okay.
Am I too heavy?
No.
Is it okay? It's okay?
Yes.
Okay.
3, 2.
Yes, no.
Start anew. This is new. Babaguhin na po namin yun.
Okay, let's go.
3, 2.
Start anew. What's up?
Ayan.
Wala na nga!
This is...
Wala na. Game. 3, 2. Start anew. This is new.
Kasama kami sa this is.
Ako na lang sa this.
This is...
Okay. 3, 2.
Start anew.
This is... Ano ba?
I'm sorry. Es tut mir leid.
Huwag na mag-comeback.
Bitte verzeiht mir.
3, 2. Start anew. This is new
ID!
Oh.
Wag na. Tama
Bro,
na
but every time when we like visit an event, and then they're gonna say, "Oh, new ID."
New ID, right? Is it new ID or new
Inside,
ID?
we're just smiling. We're just smiling.
But deep inside we're hurt.
Yeah, it hurts really.
Yung ID po kayo, diba? Hindi po. Ang dami.
Pose kayo, pose.
Pose?
Pose daw kayo, pose.
DNM Mark. Hi. Fave.
Kommt nach Köln bitte. Okay, wenn wir in Deutschland sind, kommen in allen Städten.
Start anew. This is...
Wilson, kannst du mal bitte Deutsch reden? Ich versuche so viel ich kann Deutsch zu reden. Stell da mal Fragen.
Hi, Lechi. Tigilan niyo yung italas.
Hello, Mark.
Old Eid po kayo?
Ah?
Hopefully not.
Ano?
Old Eid.
Hey! No.
Bago pa lang po kami. 9 months pa lang.
Magte-10 na po.
Isang good luck sa inyo. Mag-aaral ako ng mabuti sa Manila Science.
Good luck,
Hey!
Uncle Riza.
Uncle Riza.
Good luck.
Good luck.
You got this. Stay focused. Ay, so...
What's your pet peeve po? Ako, Kat. Tapos bingi siya. White siya. Pangalan niya Tenten.
I-day mo man na si Tenten.
Basta una na nga siya nag-debut sa kabilang group.
Ah, we? Ah, kay ano, kay
You should have brought her. Wala.
Unsa Brazil Buddha.
Okay, bro. See,
Oh,
louder.
invite.
Maybe I can understand.
Unsa Brazil Buddha.
Unser Brezelbruder.
Brazil Buddha.
Yeah, unser Brezelbruder, yeah.
Kommt doch nach Frankfurt. Bitte.
Oi. Alle Deutschen, die sind alle so süß, wirklich. Ihr macht meinen
Si
Tag
Tita
besser.
Mabi.
Das freut mich.
Ay, Frankfurt.
Frankfurt? What's it in English? Is it right? Frankfurt? That's a city in Germany.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hi, Audrey.
P-pop group? Yes.
P-pop group?
Your skin that.
Love the blonde hair. Thank you. I kind of like every morning I like brush my.
Morning.
Wig lang po yan, wig lang yan. Natatanggal yan.
Oh really? Wait.
Napaliw joke.
Hi po. Hello po. Hello everyone. You can ask questions, everyone. Everybody.
Grabe puro German, no?
Bakit kung...
Yeah, there are a lot of German people. You guys are
Dami
too
po.
sweet. Ihr seid alle so süß, wirklich. Frankfurt ist gleich nur andere pronunciation. Frankfurt. Yeah, it's a city. It's a city in Germany. There are a lot of people. in
Frankfurt English.
What is Egan or not?
Bro, I don't understand one word. Wait, just read it one more time. Nah, you're making up. You're making something up.
What is
Oh,
Eigerslash or Nash's concert?
Concert?
Kailan daw tayo magko-concert sa...
Oh my god, if that is
Austria.
right, wait,
Soon.
Wala.
I can't see it. I'm sorry, guys.
Hypen
You guys type so
FT.
fast. Wann ist eigentlich euer nächstes Konzert? When is your next concert? So our next
Where?
concert,
First.
we have to have our first concert first. Before we even have a concert.
For the next.
Also ein Konzert.
Full storage daw siya.
Full
Sorry
story.
na.
Tapos hindi pa siya napapansin.
Are you screen?
Ay,
Are you screen recording? Oh, sorry.
Ano name niya?
Si
Anchors.
Anchors.
Hello, anchors. We continue. Hello.
Er bringt mich immer.
Bro, you're doing it on purpose. I know what you want to say. Ihr ignoriert mich, right?
Yes.
Di mo ako pinapansin.
Yeah. That's the meaning.
Sabi daw.
But what, I don't see. I'm sorry. I need to showering gun. I need showering gun.
Get bitte off the live.
Geh bitte öfter live. Geh bitte. Go more live. Go more more often. Okay.
Sige po.
Yung supporter.
Actually, I wanna go more live often.
Go.
Maki, red hair when? Oh, how do you know?
Saan?
How do you know?
It should be a secret. Wala na. Here.
Hindi na security.
No more secret. Now we have to do it on another member. So now I gotta do it on another member. So now you gotta. Now you exposed it. Oh my god.
Drummer, you okay?
Yeah.
John, you want to talk about something? Are you okay?
Yeah.
You can open your heart to them. New Days are like, they're our family.
Heart reveal.
Heart
Utong reveal yan eh.
Utong reveal. Okay, for everyone, utong means nipple.
Uy!
The typ with the cap is voll nonchalant. John, they're talking about you. The guy with the cap is nonchalant, bro.
He's a chill guy.
Verstehst, bro? Verstehst? Wilson, what hair color do you want to try? I really been waiting so long. I really want to try black. Like black is like would really like it will hit
Brown kasi
different.
to eh, brown to.
Yeah, it will hit different.
Fit you.
You know, it's crazy. What is it? Scene. Oh. Verify. Oh.
Oh, to. Ah.
Sino po yung naka-blue nung Summer Blast?
Si Jo Marie.
Who was it, Jom? Of course, everyone asking for Jom. Everyone.
Mukha po siyang may sakit. Charis, walang ganun.
Oh, you can actually say it, right? No? Just say.
Sabi na
Mukha lang naman siyang may
Saan
sakit.
sinabi na kanina?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he was sick. He was sick in that day.
But still delivered.
But still delivered. He was aura farming, bro.
Yeah.
Like really, before it even opened. Crazy. But you know,
He was performing even though the LEDs were...
still
Nasa
down.
likod pa yung sumasayawan eh.
Nakantag.
Oh yeah.
Wilson was like, aura!
Aura, guys. Aura. Before it opens, aura. Aura farming, guys.
Wala ako sa focus, sinantog ako sa LED.
I saw the video though, where you like, but it's not noticeable.
It's not that obvious.
It wasn't obvious. It wasn't obvious. Like, he hit. Like, that was profession.
Yeah, professional.
You gotta stay professional.
Hi, CCU.
Hi, CCU.
CCU.
Alam niyo ba na sa labas din, may nanonood din pala nun?
Mas madami.
Amazing.
May free silang Jollibee.
Oh, sheesh.
Saya.
May free silang Jollibee sa labas.
No?
No, sila sa screen?
Jollibee, hit us up if you're watching.
If you're watching. Hindi.
Wow, we got a cake.
Saan?
Cake where? Labas ng Philippine Arena.
Bias and hype.
Mantin labas.
Guys, Bias and hype, and I read it so many times.
Hisung.
Jay and Hyben.
Nikki,
Sungun.
Ano ang dami?
you're also Hisu.
Isung at saka
Yeah.
si Nikki.
Nikki, grabe.
Man hört voll deinen Dialekt. Es tut mir leid.
Kuya, can you later play Minecraft?
Eh!
Si Wilson, naglalaro
Oh,
ng Minecraft.
yeah, I
He's
played
a big
Minecraft. Wait,
fan.
who was it? Was it my cousin though? From Switzerland? Oh wait, here. I don't know. It's my cousin. I saw it.
Ito?
Yeah. Später spielen wir Minecraft, okay?
Hello, Hilly Mark.
Hello po.
Isang good night kay muna as a group. Good night,
Good
Kai.
night.
Good night, Kai. Sleep well.
Good night. Night.
Wer ist bei euch der Jüngste? That means who's the youngest in the group. Okay, guess everyone.
Hulaan nyo,
Everybody
guys.
guess.
Tinuro ko, tas
Ratet.
hulaan pala.
Bro, they think I'm the youngest, bro. What the heck?
Hey.
Hey!
We're not the
Maybe it's the
youngest, guys.
haircut.
Maybe it's the haircut. Probably the haircut. Then with the cap. You're right. Du hast recht. Correct. There's someone new already.
Correct. Kailan po kayo uwing Pilipinas?
Guys,
Today.
Kailan kaya?
Di na kami uwi dyan.
Manifest.
I miss you, Wilson. I miss you. Oh no, the name is gone. I miss you too, though.
Stop the car.
Ihr bringt mich immer zum Lachen. Ich küsse dein Herz.
Nakita niyo ba, dinikit ko picture niya sa bus? Siya pala yun. Nakita niyo ba yun? May picture tayo OT5, tapos dinikit niya sa likod ng upuan sa bus.
Sa bus? Ano bus?
Ano ba eh?
Bus. Like yung bus na
Coaster?
brand pang fans.
Oh,
Coaster.
Bro, Wilson sieht so jung aus. They say I look so
Thank you
young.
po sa libreng promotion.
He does.
Bro, I'm the oldest here.
Is he? Tapos na ako. I'm back, Yorobun.
안녕하세요, 여러분.
Yorobun.
Isang good night, Rona lang. Good night, Rona.
Good night, Rona.
Good night, Rona.
Good night, Rona.
Sleep well, sleep well.
Tuloy na.
Sa
Ba't pa may R kung
brother,
ano?
R? Where?
Tuloy na.
Do you know?
Wala namang R.
Do you know? Do you know? It's
Tuloy
it's pronounced. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's
Ilson.
No,
Huwag na,
no.
huwag na yung double. Ilson.
And now, bro, Wilson.
Ilson.
Saan ba yung Olonga po?
Sa may subig.
Sa puso mo.
Malapit ba yun sa Pampanga?
Medyo malapit.
Medyo.
Ayan, sabi balik na kayo Olonga po. Pupunta po kami ng Pampanga.
Uy po kayo sa Pampanga.
May nabasa ako.
Diba?
Good night, Vana. Sleep well. Have a nice dream.
Can you... Ala na, wala.
Sabi who's that guy daw na nakabandana? He's such a cutie.
Oh!
Ay, nasa likod ko ba?
Oh, yan bro!
Ah!
Name of Cup.
Name of Cap.
Ano to? New
Bro,
York
he's so sweet, right? He looks so
New York
he looks so
from
sweet.
New Era.
Yeah.
Baka name nung nakakap?
Yeah, the name of the name of the guy with the cap.
Baka ganun.
His name is
Do you guys want sopas?
Boy.
Sumak.
Yes.
John is wrong.
Sumaki.
John.
Sopas
His name
with
is
corned
John.
beef.
Everybody. Hello po. Hello. Hello Gian. Hello.
Hi, El.
Di ako pinayagan sa Pampanga. Oh no.
No, you gotta fight for it.
Boom! Sabi ni Tala by Kyla, we'll be relaunching Tala Men.
Woo!
New Eid soon!
Boy!
What? Just announced that!
New
Nag-announce.
Eid
Thank you po.
collaboration, Tala
Tala,
Man.
man.
Let's go, Tala Tala.
Nag-comment ba?
Tala! Oo, Tala.
Nag-comment?
Tala.
May, bawal yung cornet.
Is Jom an introvert?
Yeah.
He's an
Wow, may
introvert.
cake! One? Anong one?
But he's actually really goofy though. He's trying
Oo.
like on when the camera's on his head.
Pag walang camera.
But when there's no camera, he's like
Pag wala, ano yung tsura niyo pag wala? Di ba pag meron ganito? Eh, pag wala, ano?
Ganto.
Exposed!
I'm from Pampanga, guys. Then you have to come on Sunday. Okay, come on
Okay,
Sunday.
ano?
SM Pampanga.
Libre lang yan, libre lang.
Bro, it's for
Deja vu.
free.
Libre nyo lang kami mapanood.
It's for free. You got nothing to lose.
Ilang songs ba doon?
Hello, Vanna.
5.
Jo Marie! Isang hi daw, isang hi. Hi, Luna. Say hi,
Hi, Luna.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
Sabi,
Good.
Jo Marie, isang hi lang. Di pala Luna, Z pala.
Hi, Z.
Sino si Luna?
Ay, si Luna pala.
See you po sa Sunday. We see you on Sunday.
See you, see you.
See you, par!
Oh no.
no. You send it.
You guys are a great dancer.
Hey!
We love you.
Thank you po.
Can you all say hi, Mira? Hi, Mira.
Mira.
Hello, Mira. How are you?
Hi, Mira.
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 Ayaw nyo ba? What?
My
Ano?
child.
SB19 bias. Nag-iiba!
Justin!
Nag-iba,
CCU Nation.
Pablo Ken.
Pablo, ako ngayon tsaka Ken.
Grabe.
Grabe yung
Ken.
nakaganon si
Ken.
Kuya Ken, no? Kuya, close kami.
Hello.
Hi, Kuya Ken, if you're watching. Pansol.
Schlechteste Note in der Schule, 5er.
Anong 5 songs sa Sunday, promise? 4
I don't know.
songs lang po.
5 songs, guys. Instrumental yung isa.
Korean pa po yun.
Hoy,
Oops!
Seid bitte etwas leiser, bin mitten im Unterricht.
Bad
Sugar,
audio.
Kopfhörer. Du solltest gar nicht mal da sein. Konzentrier dich. Someone's watching during the lesson.
Hi, Ivana.
The what?
Someone's watching our live stream during the lesson.
During lesson?
Yeah, in school.
Hey!
Oh, no.
Bad.
Study. Focus.
Bad girl.
Focus. Bad girls like you. Bad girls like you.
Have you met Shanti? Yeah, we filmed the TikTok together.
Shanti Sumbini.
Yeah, Shanti Sambit.
Para kayong Koreano.
진짜? 맞아요. 알아요.
맞아요.
Ay.
한국 사람 이에요.
Ja, lern, sonst kriegst du wie
Yeah.
so eine Film. Ja, Leute, lernt's. Wenn ihr nicht lernt, werdet ihr wie mich enden.
입니다. What happened? You eat day.
Isang hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hello, Daisy.
Hi, Daisy.
Hi, Daisy. Give it to him, man.
Tara na mag-DTI na tayo pagkatapos nito.
DTI?
Just to
So impressed.
May ito, may Korean.
Oh, can you read?
Hindi ko mabasa. Ano to?
Serun.
새로운 K-pop 그룹인데 너무 귀여워요. 아니에요.
Machi.
맞지?
Sorry no! K-pop입니다!
저희는 필리핀 사람이에요. 한국 사람 아니거든요. 그냥
I love you too.
한국 스타일.
Hatet iya.
Hi, Laya. Hi, Laya.
10 PM relapse muna daw siya.
Oh no!
Sige.
Grabe ba?
Grabe ba? Ay.
How to pronounce your group name again?
New ID.
New Eid, everybody. New Eid.
New weed.
New weed.
New weed.
New weed. Top gifter natin, si Hanselton. Hey, what's
Thank you
up?
po. You the best.
10 PM na, relapse muna ako. May kilala din ako nag-relapse sa 10 PM.
Hi, Sophia. Hello.
May kilala din
How
ako.
are you,
ganun.
Sophia?
Ikaw ba to?
Ikaw, Joe?
Press 1 kung ikaw yun.
Na-stress na si
Oh, yun na,
Wilson.
nagre-relapse kayo
Malamang.
10 PM eh.
Anong relapse? Repulse. Kain?
Hindi.
Akala ko
Relapse?
relapse.
Relapse?
Hi, Wilson. Hi, Jaja.
Relapse.
Well, it's like water is boiling right now, bro.
Mali yung humor na ginamit.
Kilala niyo daw siya, si Tontawan. Tontawan.
Ano?
Sino yun?
Tayo actor? Annyeonghaseyo sa imong tanan.
안녕하세요.
Hi Mar, ako po ngayon Dongka, time. Tsaka... Ano nga yung kanta ni Earl Agustin yun?
Tibo.
Hindi yung isa.
Timbo?
Come to Netherlands, okay?
Ka na lang, oh baby.
We will visit
Tibog.
you. We will visit
Tibog.
you.
Sige. Dito ka na lang, sa akin ka na lang, oh babe. Pag-ibig ng ikaw at ako. Kahit ako'y titibok-tibok.
Viel Glück beim nächsten Konzert. Dankeschön.
Sige.
Ah!
Sino si Amy doon? Kamukha mo si Amy.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Chonun.
Maxi.
Okay. Who just farted? What the heck?
Did you just...
Ah, that was wrong.
Alam mo yung Chinese.
Viet!
Guys,
Mein Bruder.
Hindi kami nag-Chinese,
Meine
guys.
Vietnamese.
Sipag po
Alleine.
kami.
Ich vermisse dich, Viet.
Waini. Ang dami ko nakakalawang Chinese. Palawan.
Really?
Ewa! Ewa! Ewa!
Fuyo!
Good night, Audrey. Sleep well.
I'm the leader.
Sweet
My cheeks hurt
dreams.
from laughing so
Your
much.
cheeks? Your cheek hurt? Your cheeks hurt?
No.
Yung ano, yung
Nelia.
Oh.
Can you understand us?
Yeah, of course.
Anong
But I think she's German.
It's German. Why? What happened? What did you say?
Wait, isn't one of them from Austria?
Yeah, I'm from Austria, guys. Sinong pinaka-maliit? Ako po.
He's the smallest.
I'm the shortest, guys.
Because I am 6'2".
I'm 5'7".
Ako po yung smallest.
Imagine being 5'7". Oh my god.
What the heck? What the heck?
I'm just 5'6".
No! No!
Wala, no!
I'm joking.
No, that's his stage. Ano? Stage height.
height. Stage height.
Pero
Stage height.
totoo talaga 6'1" siya.
Ah, sorry. Uy, 5'10" sabi ko sa ano, K-profiles.
express sarili?
Guys, I'm joking. I'm 180.
Sabi ko sa K-profiles, 5'10" ako, guys.
184.
Hindi yan ang SB19, of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
SP19. Tumabi ka
Ano da?
dyan!
Eh,
Hey!
The king.
doon ka.
Tumabi ka dyan!
Crochet fan Q&A. You guys want?
Sukat na natin.
Uy, legit gumawa akong t-shirt.
Wait nga.
Viet, ewa.
Nak.
Kusudan ako.
Ang tagal ng londo yan. Hi, Teacher Juvie.
Hindi ganun.
Ey, mobbt ihr kleine Leute, ich bin 1,59.
Hello, Zeya! Ayan, napansin ko
Nein,
na
das war nur
Zeya.
ein Spaß.
Zaya!
Ich bin 1,81. 1,83. Short King, Short King.
Oh.
Anong name ng group nyo? BTS!
New ID!
New ID!
Bro, how many times? They do it on purpose, right? They ask
Hi,
how-
Lechi.
Lechi, what's up?
What's up, Lechi? What's good?
Lechi. Sabay nakabandana.
Si Josh yun.
Ano, ayaw pumasok.
Ayaw pumasok.
Good night, SpongeBob.
Oh, really? Is that SpongeBob?
Madaan.
Wilson, du Schlingel, sag bitte Hi, Jasmin. Hi, Jasmin. Ich grüße dich.
Queen Yasmin.
Yasmin.
in the
Hi, Yasmin.
house.
I love your guys' laugh. I love your laugh.
Your what? Ay.
Is it nighttime for you guys? Yeah, it's 10 p.m. right now.
Likot ni Tanda.
Sana mapansin. We pansin you, Yuri.
Hi, Job.com.
Hi, Yuri.
Job.com.
Yuri, we pansin you. Hello,
Hi,
Yuri.
Bianca.
Yuri.
Job.com.
Yuri, Kiefer,
So sportsfreund.
Sports Prime.
I love you, Viet. I love you. This is my friend.
Viet?
Viet, yeah.
So,
Say, Viet, mein Bruder. Viet, mein Bruder.
Vietnam food.
Vietnam, bruda.
Yeah.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
My brother, my brother.
Ah, my brother.
Si Vietnamese.
Yeah, he's Vietnamese.
Ah, kaya Viet?
Viet Bruda. Ah, wait.
Yeah, Bruder, Bruder.
Vietnamese
Ah.
Viet.
Yeah, he's Vietnamese.
Kaya vibe mo si Kier.
Yeah, probably that's why.
Yeah.
And then one friend from London also Vietnamese.
Wow. Jaren.
Gandang tanong to.
Ay.
Ay, bilis.
Sabi.
Why does it teleport like that?
Anong
Can you
ba
say
ba? Sabi
hi,
mo
Lisa?
lang.
Hi, Lisa. Nice to meet you, Lisa. Welcome to our live stream. Woohoo!
Hi,
What's
Lisa.
up, Lisa?
What is that doing? That is,
Jom, pag nabasa
he's
mo.
making underwear right
Yeah. Underwear for my...
now. Underwear because we ran out of underwear.
Totoo yan, totoo yan.
So, it's our birthday. Kung gusto niyo po mag-send ng brief.
Underwear.
Magregalo kayo. Wait, anong
Pwede
size
mo
nyo?
ako sabihin.
Small lang po. Damay,
Kasi order na ako ng small. Ang liit
damay nyo na kaming tatlong hindi may birthday.
Medium.
Oh!
Boxer briefs. Wag po yung brief lang kasi medyo weird po yun sa singit.
Si John po
Pensya,
na-brief
pensya.
One time na hiram ako ng brief. Ay! Pati lang iya.
Because we're brothers. Istabi na bruda.
Stabil!
Fish nabi!
Maschine! Maschine. Okay.
Pero simula na naghiram ko, nag-boxer brief.
Ang kate sa sing! Ala, naririnig.
Galing.
Sana mabalik na.
Uy, binalik ka na may brief ni Joe.
Uy, hindi pa.
We're still talking.
Asan?
Are we still talking about underwear, bro? We're still
Ano po
talking.
kaya niya bilang kasi Monday to ano yun eh, Monday to Sunday. Nawawala yung Tuesday niya kasi.
Bro, they can't stop talking about underwear, bro.
Tuesday niya yun.
Gawa mo na lang. Ginagawa niya na po
Ginagawa mo na po siya ng underwear.
Yung pamalit.
Wilson,
Stretchable
pansinin
na
mo
pa.
ko. Do you like vanilla? I love vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla ice cream, please.
Yeah.
Please.
Tama na guys.
That would be so nice if someone brings me vanilla ice cream.
Sarap.
Wie ist dein Tag bisher, Wilson? Mein Tag war sehr gut. Also ich habe nicht viel gemacht eigentlich. Do you like Oreo ice cream?
Yes.
Yeah!
I like.
Oreo.
Sometimes I like.
Actually, hindi pa.
Alin.
Matabang siya.
Oreo.
And...
Oreo ice cream. Masarap.
Ano nga yung isa pa?
Sarap.
But don't you know?
Ah! Ano ba? Oreo ice cream o cookies
Ice cream.
and cream ice cream?
Ano yung Oreo? Bro, it's the same. Bro, it's talking about the same thing.
No! Cookies and cream na ice cream, meron na Selecta, ganun. Pero Oreo ice cream is from Oreo.
But also,
Oh, meron?
Yeah.
Oreo sandwich
Mas
ice
masarap
cream.
yung Selecta na na cookies and cream kaysa sa Oreo na cookies and cream.
Uy, baka...
Ano?
sometimes I
Kukunin
like.
ba tayo ng Oreo?
Sometimes I like chocolate, sometimes I don't. So.
I like mint chocolate.
Ew!
Hindi sana
Anong
mag-toothbrush
ew?
ka na lang.
Mint
Huwag ka na
chocolate!
mag-toothbrush
Bro,
na
chocolate.
tapos.
Ah, masarap din yan.
Di ba mint
Wow.
chocolate, swear? Hindi ka na magtututbrush.
Bro,
You don't have to brush your teeth.
mint chocolate.
Yeah, mint chocolate.
May masarap din.
It's the
Ah, strawberry. Strawberry gusto.
Strawberry, yeah,
Oh.
strawberry is good. Strawberry, you can't go wrong
Oh,
with strawberry.
groundbreaking.
You can't do anything wrong with strawberry.
Strawberries.
Mint choco hater.
What the heck?
Ah, Rocky Road. Yun yung iniisip ko.
Rocky
Rocky
Road.
Road.
Rocky Road is good.
You know Rocky Road?
Yeah, only when I arrived here.
Ah, palang meron din.
Dito talaga yun. Sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas.
Who's the tallest?
Literal.
Sa province.
Sakto ngayon.
Our leader is the tallest.
Wait lang.
Sakto ngayon, no?
Mag-heels ako.
Bye, Jasmine. Hi, Sophia. Hello, Sophia. Hi. I hope you're recording. Hi, Sophia.
When I catch you, Ricky.
Dito lang sa Pilipinas.
May Rocky Road.
Sakto nga ngayon, Botohan. Maraming sirang... Ay!
Uy, Josh,
Joke lang!
Joke lang po yun.
Who's the leader? Performer leader and leader.
Yung,
And yeah,
that's it.
from leader.
Lado.
Face card leader.
Gawan mo daw siya ng hat. Gusto ko yung na idol na yung gumagawa ng
Ako nagagawa.
crochet na give sa fan.
Cute kaya pag nagbibigay sila ng mga crochets.
Könnt ihr Summer grüßen? Ich grüße dich, Summer. Hi, Summer.
Recently nakatanggap
Summer, yeah.
ako ng
Summer.
crochet na na rose.
Wilson, you're so
Cute
pogi. Thank you, Joy.
Na rose
But I'm not
na mataba
pogi.
yung stem. Ang cute.
The rose.
Rose ba yung tulip?
Tulip ko tulip.
Regalo niyo daw yun.
Magkano daw yan, Dad?
Ah, gusto niyo benta ko?
20 pesos.
Ay, bibenta talaga.
Pipirmahan namin
Ah.
Sige.
5K.
Dapat yung pirma tahi din.
Ay, wait lang naman. Hindi ako nagbuborda na.
Bye, I'm gonna watch K-drama. Which K-drama are you gonna watch?
Tangerines.
Rikio.
When life gives you tangerines.
Guys, umiyak ka.
And
Weak hero.
Yung mga bago lang.
ano man, Weak Hero Cast 2. Saka, basta yun.
Maganda din ano. Melodrama.
Maganda
Yung mga
Twinkling
bago.
Watermelon, panoorin nyo.
Bro, they heard that 100%.
Tapos, Taxi Driver.
Iba akong niya
Ganda yun.
Deutsche Videos. Okay.
Ba't ka nag-react? Maganda talaga yun.
Meron bang ganun?
Oo, meron ganun.
Ich werde mir Deutsche Videos machen, Jungs.
Wala.
Meine Damen und Herren. Someone's farting again.
Hindi, ano yung bunganga?
Ah.
Ay, bibig pala. Bunganga.
What's bunganga?
Bibig.
That's like the worst way of saying it.
Mouth? Ah.
Malay ko bang may taxi driver?
Lovely Runner. Maganda yun.
Ano pa ba?
Queen of Tears, maganda din.
Goblin.
Oh, I didn't even watch it.
Goblin.
Are we still talking about K-drama?
Yeah.
Oh. True Beauty. True Beauty.
Yun.
Madami. True Beauty.
True Beauty. Oh, how did I say it?
No.
Ah, because of John?
Bigla ko nakain.
Yes, True Beauty Fave.
Study group.
Asa
Tama.
Study group.
Milk tea or Covey?
Coffee!
Oh, it's hard. I like both.
Hirap nga.
Coffee!
Pero mas hindi ako nakakatulog sa ano.
I like
Milk tea, milk tea.
Me too, milk.
Baka naman kasi yung sugar level, boy.
Hindi eh. Kapag ano, yung sa brand na yun.
May ano eh, may-
Baka maging ambassador tayo eh.
May sagoy.
Boba naman, nak. Sago.
Taho.
Oh!
Oh.
Sarap ng tao.
Padala niyo po kami ng taho.
Yeah.
Könnt ihr Chiara grüßen? Grüße dich, Chiara. Hi, Chiara. Chiara. Everybody say hi, Chiara.
Ay,
Pili ko na tayo,
Chiara.
hello po. Pili ko na tayo po lang siya pero natawa ko. Balance araw. Sisikat din kayo. Balance araw. Sana araw.
Patayin mo yung autocorrect mo, nak.
Eh, makikita mo sa birthday mo. Sana po!
Uy, binago na late time slot, ah.
Nang alin?
Birthday mo.
Hindi na ano. Iba na yung date.
Alam ko binago na late
At
time.
totoo, hala sana makapunta tayo.
Sana po umabot kami, guys.
Morena, Mistisa.
Ballerina cappuccino.
Depende sa'yo.
Kung ano ka. Kung ano ka po.
Kung ano ka.
Makan muffins, motivation. Do you guys want muffins? Yeah, please.
Yeah, muffin.
Choco muffins, protein
May
muffins.
choco muffin?
Yeah.
Do you guys like matcha?
Yeah, si Wilson nadik na sa matcha.
Oh yeah.
guys.
Oh my god, I love matcha
He
now.
loves grass.
Really, it tastes like grass. Really, I love the taste of the grass because I need to touch some grass, so it's okay if I drink it.
Ano ba yan? Sinerge ko nga din eh.
Ano yan?
Bro, it's grass, bro. These are leaves. Favorite coffee? Favorite coffee?
Chester Chata.
Caramel macchiato.
Me too. Caramel macchiato or
Si Ate
vanilla.
Jelly.
Sulit ng Summer Blast. Salamat
Thank you,
pre.
Jelly.
Ah, solid 300.
Salamat pre.
Salamat po sa 344,000 pesos.
Huh? Meron tayong ganun?
Kumusta
Lechi,
experience sa
panoorin mo na po
Philippine
sa Twitch.
Arena?
Ano daw?
Kumusta yung experience sa
It
It was
Philippine Arena?
good.
Bro, it was crazy.
Ito.
Too many people. Show!
Tiyan mo kasi yun.
Sino ba yun? Ay!
Bro, almost ready.
Hindi ba tayo malalag? Bukas ba yung pinto?
Oh, we're the no, it's
Who
cool.
has the best Reese?
Best reason.
It has gotta be
Ako!
Si Tati, si
Itong
Mama
dalawa.
niya
It's
Reese.
Mama Riz!
Maya Riz! Mama Riz!
Mama Riz! Hey!
Si Maki.
Si Wilson po.
Si Maki po.
He's raising me up.
Nah, si Maki.
Hindi ako marunong.
You Reese me up.
So I can stand on Mount.
Dream collab artists.
Wow.
Si El!
Jungkook! BTS!
Sino alam sariling member?
Kala ko Korean.
Uy,
Whoa, you're left. The real personality came out.
Ang galing mag-crazy dance.
All the girls are curly.
Inisa-isa
All the
po
girls are
sila.
curly.
Gawin niyo yung dong ka ba?
Ah.
Solid daw yung...
Suggest saan ko ididikit. Saan ko ididikit stickers nyo? Alam niyo yung sa poste ng ilaw. May nakalagay doon ano nga yun?
Post Nobel?
Hindi.
Baka lumihi dito?
Shifooning.
Malabanan!
Nakalagay ng malabanan. Tapos lagay mo din yung picture. Tapos tag mo kami ngayon.
Meron pa dati na uso yung Dora.
Wilson kannst du Nessie zum Geburtstag grüßen? Alles Gute zum Geburtstag, Nessie. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Sunset or sunrise?
Sunset!
Rise. Mas yun yung naabutan namin.
Ako parehas ko na.
Uy, baka matutulog ka. Kaya po may sakit si Jom ng Philippine na rin.
Ayan.
Hindi.
Lagi po siyang puyat, please. Wala ka mabasa?
Yeah, me too, bro. It's so fast.
Hello po, Marjorie.
Guys, bibili ba kayo ng mga crochet ko kapag binenta ko sa IG?
Basta nga daw vibe.
Brief.
Underwear, guys.
Ito siya so far.
Underwear.
Hindi ko papakita. Susuot ko to sa event.
For it?
I think.
Oh, cool.
For my hosting gig. Darling.
Buti na lang na
Do some shoes.
Buti
Kasi hindi pa siya tapos kung
Socks or socks.
Socks? Brief.
Underwear.
Hi, Rhea.
Hello, Rhea.
Hala, sabi ko kahit 10K pa yan. Hey!
Uy, mahal talaga crochet.
Hello, Red. How's your day, guys?
Ganda.
Awa.
Bibilhin na installment. Awit.
20 gigs.
20 gives.
500.
Mine sa nonchalant.
Hello po, Jinx.
Alright.
First time I saw them nung Watson's playlist. Grabe, ginulat nila ako.
Ano gulat
Hey,
na?
paano gulat?
Nag-pause lang si Wilson kaya nagulat eh.
May bowl.
Watson's playlist?
Watson.
Ano ko sa
Ah.
class?
Okay, next comeback again.
Yoshimi yan si Wilson, guys.
One more time,
Nag-gym
one
siya
more
ulit.
Bro, I'm running every day. Okay. Why is it so silent, guys? we got a little bit shy, guys. After 10 p.m., we're a bit shy.
Nagre-relapse na kami.
Relapse.
Last 7 minutes.
Kain ulit.
Ano baka siya nga yun?
Sino?
Hindi na nag-comment na sinabi na
Nag-relapse na nga? Uy guys, huwag kayo magre-relapse. Mamaya pa, 2 a.m. Di ba ako naghihintay na yung ghost?
You think?
kainan na daw.
Guys, wait, we gotta check
Relapse.
if our ghost updated us.
Wala pa naman guys. Pero saglit na lang. We're going na.
Next performance, Neo po. On Sunday at SM Pampanga, guys.
City Pampanga!
Let's
See you po,
go.
see you.
We will see you there, guys.
Meron ba
okay?
diba?
Sa
6.
Saludo.
Abangan niyo po ang mga aabangan.
Yeah!
Huh? Ano nga yun?
Meron ba?
Di ba meron?
Ah, meron. Pwede ba yung sabihin?
Ano
May
nga?
6.
Bawal pa, di pa na-announce.
Ano nga?
Hi, Herb.
School yun,
Hello,
school.
Herb.
Wait
Hi. School?
Oo.
University?
Oo.
Ah.
Bawal wag mo ay.
Which university?
Hello, birthday ko yun! Oh,
May 5 ka diba?
Ha?
May
May
6
ako.
Okay, okay.
Wilson, can you say goodnight to me? Good night, Ellen. Good night, L. Good night, sleep well, have sweet
Tinatamad na ako mag-weep.
dreams. If you can't fall asleep, drink some milk. I don't know if it works. It didn't work for me. It didn't work for me.
Does it work?
Matcha addict, yeah.
Wilson is a matcha
Yeah.
addict.
The matcha. I love grass.
Guys, gusto nyo bang sumali sa live?
I want to touch grass. Who wants to join?